Well, I thought that she liked me since I've been around, and I know she might be maybe taken, and she's playing hard to get, but like hard to tell. Well, she never fooled me at all. And them nights they were mostly spent at the Glen in bare feet. Now I'm questioning her thoughts of me, smoking on something I shouldn't be. Well, I'll take you where no cars will go, where that trail ends, it's where we begin to grow. There's dead birds in that creek, wash your feet when we get back home. I try not to sing every weekend when these weeks are gone. There's one thing that you told me, you wanna see better things. It's a damn shame when them plans change. Stuck outside by some airplanes, there was no one knowing us and worrying about time inside of those old city lights. I remember when you taught me, don't shake a hand too softly. In the western land we were walking, the best of men they did cross me. We hurried in and then we left slow, headed home with a lesson I never did know. Dead birds in that creek, wash your feet when we get back home. And I try not to sing every weekend when these weeks are gone. And I don't recall ever thinking that we were not meant to last. On the roof I found truth in how we attract, and I'd give today to have that one back, because distance when it is no match for love, and the truest love at that. There's dead birds in that creek, wash your feet when we get back home.